warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We from Group 11. I am Syafrina Nurdianti.
I'm Wahyu Angelina.
We want presentation about innovation.
Starting point, first, put this 20th century innovation and invention in order from the earliest to the most recent. Photocopier, Velcro, handheld calculator, instant coffee, vacuum cleaner, and parking meter. Second, which invention and innovation of the 20th century do you think were the most important and useful? Age, reading, text 1, working with words. 1. Why did Mitchell Ditkoff and John Havens invent the Breakthrough Cafe? Second, would you like to go there? Food for thought. The Breakthrough Cafe is the brainchild of Mitchell Ditkoff and John Havens. The aim is that customer will have at least one aha moment during an evening that is a combination of a party, restaurant, and brainstorming session. Over a three-course meal, customers begin by meeting each other and reading their name badge. The name badge also contains the words, "How can I?" Each customer completes this with a question about an idea or an obstacle in their life. For example, how can I start my own catering business? How can I find someone to invest in my prototype? How can I get a new job? As well as discussing and giving advice to each other, there are innovators who serve food and drink but also act as facilitators to encourage innovative ideas. Ditko explained how he first came up with the concept. "I've asked thousands of people, where do you get your best idea? What is the catalyst?" Less than 1% of people say they get their ideas at work. They get their ideas when they are happy, away from the office, late at night, and in the company of friends. Big vocabulary exercise 1. Match the words in bold from the text to definition. 1. An idea for something new, innovative. 2. An idea or invention of one person or group of people concept. 3. New and original brainchild. 4. When you suddenly realize or understand something prototype. 5. People who help you came up. 6. Something to cause change, aha moment. 7. Think a new idea or a planned obstacle. 8. Something stopping you, catalyst. 9. The first from something new, facilitator. Exercise 2. Complete the text with the correct answer. The teenage entrepreneur. In many ways, the company Doherty Preserves looks like your typical local food company with a simple one concept and reliable customer base. It sells a 3 state-of-the-art range of marmalades, jams, and fruit preserves. Based on old recipes to delicatessens and local markets, and like every other business these days, the company is aiming to reach a more health conscious consumer, so not a for reliable idea. What is surprising is that the company was the fifth brainchild of a 14 years old, now existing Fraser Doherty first. 6 came up with the idea of selling preserves when his grandmother taught him a secret recipe for marmalade. This was the hey 7 moment for Fraser, and within weeks he began selling to the neighbors. From there, he employed friends to sell door to door on a commission basis. Such innovation from one so young might be passed down to a good education, but Fraser says it's a million miles away from what I learned at school. Similarly, the 9 obstacle of money has never proved a problem. I don't concern myself so much with profits and productivity. What's important to me is improving quality and customer satisfaction.
The structure, reported speech, and indirect speech. When we use reported speech, we are referring to something that was said either by ourselves or by someone else in the past. An example of the might be he said that he was going shopping. This type of speech is used very frequently during both spoken and written example of English, and it is an important part of the language which any English students will find useful to learn. In this section, we are going to look at types of reported speech as well as how we can use it. Backshifts of tense from to simple present, simple past, present perfect, past perfect, will, would, progressive from would, am, are, is, was, were, has been, had been. If the sentence contain an expression of the time, you must change it as well. Peter, I worked in the garden yesterday. Peter said that he had worked in the garden the day before. Shifting of expression of time. This, that evening. Today, this day, that day. This day. No, then, a week ago, a week before, last weekend, the weekend before, the previous weekend, here, there, next week's, the following weeks. Exercise 1. Finish the sentence using reported speech, always change the tense, although it is sometimes not necessary. Example, Peter, I cleaned the black shoes. And answer, Peter, I cleaned the black shoes. Peter told me that he cleaned the black shoes. One, John, Mandy is at home. John said that Mandy was at home. Two, Meg, I often read a book. Max told me that Frank often read a book. Three, Susan, I'm watching TV. Susan said that she was watching TV. Simon, David was ill. Simon said that David has been ill. 5. Stephen and Clary, we have cleaned the windows. Stephen and Clary told me that they had cleaned the windows. 6. Charles, I did not have time to do my homework. Charles remarked that he hadn't had time to do his homework. Mr. Jones, my mother will be 15 years old. My Jones told me that her mother will be 15 years old. Jeans, the boss must change the letter. Jean said that the boss had to sing the letter exercise 2. Finish the sentence using reported speech. Always change the tense and the time expression, although it is sometimes not necessary. Example, Peter, I cleaned the black shoes yesterday. Answer, Peter, I cleaned the black shoes yesterday. Peter told me that he had cleaned the black shoes the day before. One, Emily, my teacher will go to Leipzig tomorrow. Emily says that her teacher will go to Leipzig the next day. Two, Helen, I was writing a letter yesterday. Helen told me that she had been writing a letter the day before. Three, Robert, my father flew to Dallas last year. Robert told me that his father had flown to Dallas the year before. 4. Michelle, I'm going to read a book this week. Michelle said to me that he was going to read a book that week. 5. Jason, he will do our best in the exam tomorrow. Jason told me that he would do his best in the exam the next day. 6. Andre, we did not eat fish 2 days ago. Andre remarked that they had eaten fish 2 days before. 7. Alice, I spent all my pocket money on Monday. Alice complained that she had spent all her pocket money on Monday. David, John had already gone at 6. David says that John had already gone at 6. The language function. Telephone. Some useful expression in telephone. Can I speak to Peter Celine, please? Speaking. Are you busy? Can I call you back? Please hold on. Sorry to keep you waiting. I'll transfer you. What? Area code for Dublin. The R9 to get an outside line. Press the star key twice. This is is a very bad line. You're breaking up. The reception is very bad. Would you like to leave a message? Leave a message on very voicemail. I'm in a meeting. I'll call you back. I think we have covered everything. Speak to you soon. Bye you for now. Dialog beginning a call. A. Like to speak to Max Reed, please? Just one moment. I'll connect you. You are talk now. Max Reed speaking. Hi, Max. Simon here. Hi, Simon. How are you? Fine. And you? Checking information. Hello. Hello, John. Seven here. Did you get my email? Yes, it's right. Here in front of me. Fine. I'll talk. It will be quicker to phone than send you. Another message I wanted to run through some of the arrangements for Tuesday, asking the seller to hold. Sorry to keep you waiting so long. Could you hold on a little longer? That network is very slow today. How long do you think it is going to take to find that information? It won't be long now, right? Here we are, the figures you need. Thanks, I'll pass on the message ending a call. Okay, have we covered everything? Thank you.